Struggling to attract visitors to your website? In this short video, we'll share a simple but effective tip that can help you increase your website traffic. Welcome to our video on how to boost website traffic. In today's digital world, a steady stream of visitors is crucial for any online business. Whether you're selling products, services, or simply sharing information, getting people to your website is essential for success. So, how can you increase website traffic? Here's a simple yet powerful tip that often gets overlooked. Social media platforms offer a vast audience that you can tap into to drive traffic to your website. Regularly sharing valuable content on platforms like Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn can help you reach a wider audience and encourage them to visit your website. Focus on creating engaging posts, articles, videos, and images that your audience will find interesting and informative. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. By leveraging social media platforms and consistently sharing valuable content, you can significantly increase your website traffic and reach a wider audience. So stay active, engage with your audience, and watch your website traffic soar. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips on boosting your online presence.